Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. I'm Renee and this is Voguish Beauty, and today I'm going to be doing a segment on the new Fenty Beauty collection. Today she came out with her new gloss bomb in Diamond Milk and her new kilowatt foil. Actually, it's an all over diamond veil, and the shade is how many carats? It comes in like this gorgeous little box. You can see like the glitter is like getting everywhere. But how cute. This is gonna be the perfect highlighter for holiday. I've also been told it's more like the new Body Lava for wintertime. This was $38. You can pick this up at Sephora or FentyBeauty.com. And the gloss bomb was $18. And they also came out with, I don't know if you guys remember, this brush was out when Body Lava came out. So this brush came out when like Beach Please collection first released. So initially I already had the brush from the first collection, so I didn't see the purpose of buying another brush. I forget how much the brush is, but you can get it now again, so keep that in mind. And if you guys want to see these swatches and this look that I'm about to do, stay tuned and keep watching. Okay, so let's get this baby out. Ooh, so pretty. Ooh, this mirror poppin'. So I love the texture of this. It's like a balm. So it's kind of like almost pure glitter. You can really build it up and intensify it though. I think it's best applied with your fingers because of the texture. I don't know how it'll really hold on a brush, but we're gonna try both ways. But like usually I don't like silver on my skin, but I'm kind of digging it. And I'm sorry guys, I should have got the silver backdrop, but I did not know that this was even gonna come out like until like a week ago, so sorry. But oh yes baby, that is popping. Okay, so I like that a lot. So let's apply this highlighter. So I'm gonna take my Anastasia Beverly Hills brush. It's the A23 brush. It's her highlighting brush. I love this brush. I just found this brush again today and I'm so happy. So I'm gonna try with the brush. Now I'm really gonna have to build pigment on it. Oh wow, okay. Rihanna did not come to play. So stunning. I just really like this. That is blinding. Okay. Tone that down a little bit. So just to highlight my brow bone, I'm gonna get in there with this brush. Ooh, it's doing a lot. This is gonna be really hot for the winter. Okay, so now I'm gonna take Diamond Milk. I'm gonna swatch that for you guys. And guys, it smells just like the original gloss bomb. it feels just like it too. Just like a nice, it's just a different color, I think. It's just like the glitter in it is a little bit different. The pearls in it, like a little bit more icy, you know, more on the silver side. But it's a nice, like, you know, if you're looking for a really good clear gloss and not like a nude gloss, like, I would definitely go with that. This is pretty bomb, like. And you know, you can put it on your eyelids to make it even more glossy, whatever. I'm gonna take my Fuckboy repellent. If you guys don't know what this is, you need to get on. They were just $10. So I'm gonna read it for you guys. It says it does not contain childish games, side chicks, I ain't get your text, we just friends, also works against fuck girls, hating ass broads, bad vibes, and scammers. Enjoy. Seriously. So I'm gonna take this. This is the BBHMM. If you guys don't know what that means, it means bitch better have my money. And speaking of bitch better have my money, one of my subscribers, funny story, you know, I guess they follow me on Snap, which is cool. I love it when people follow me on Snap or on Instagram. And things just got kind of weird. You know, they told me that they really liked my channel, and I was like, you know, thank you. And then they're like, yeah, I found it. Like, this is how I got your Snap. I'm like, okay, cool. And then you're like, they were like, so do people send you stuff? And I'm like, not yet. I'm gonna get a P.O. box soon though. And then, you know, he was like, I'd like to send you stuff like clothes. And I'm like, okay, like, are you a designer? Are you like up and coming? Do you want me to wear your stuff on my channel? And it kind of got like, you know, he was like, I'll send you $500. I'm like, okay. You know, who doesn't want $500 extra in their pocket? Like, I know I do. And then he's like, can I have a picture of you? I'm like, don't you already watch me on my channel? Isn't that enough? And then, you know, he asked me for like private snaps and how much that would be. And I'm like, do you think I'm like a cam girl or like an escort, or like, what are you trying to do? Not that there's anything wrong with that, like, do what you gotta do, sis, but like, that's not me and that's not what I'm doing. So it just got really weird, and I felt like, damn, like, what the fuck, WTF, like, did you just try to scam me? It was a lot. And you know, I feel like you owe me $500 when I see you, or when you see me, or whatever, you know, because I just feel like you don't say what you don't mean, okay? Mean what you say, do what you say you're gonna do. Anyway, so this is bitch better have my money. Better have my money. So something's like wrong with like the nozzles, like on all of them. I don't know, they're not tight. Just gonna spray it a little bit. I'm gonna dip into that. So we're all iced out, which I'm loving. So just for like a little bit more oomph, I'm gonna take this brush and I'm just gonna swirl it on there, and I'm just gonna, whoo. Really nice. I hope you guys know what I did there. Give me a little Rihanna. Whew. Get a little bit more. I am loving this. Like, for all the people that were hating on this, like, sis, this is kind of life. So you know it's life if I say it's life, because I do not like silver at all. Okay guys, so just for a little bit more on the lips, I'm gonna just take some of it. And just really like pack it on there. Yes, so like this is what I love about Fenty Beauty. Like, it's so conventional. Like, you can do so many things with her products, like a highlighter on the lips, highlighter on the eyes, like brow bone, cheeks, like all of that, body. Her brand is just the epitome of like multi-purpose makeup, and I say it all the time, I love multi-purpose makeup. Like, who does not want products that they can use in multiple different ways? There's so many times like I buy things, I'm like, okay, like, you know, but like that's what I like about her brand. I'm living for this. Like, I'm so happy I got this. Like, you guys don't even understand. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and most importantly, stay tuned for that giveaway. Come on, sis. I'm just kidding. Stay tuned for that giveaway. Seriously, I'm not playing. But have a Voguish day, beauties.